Welcome back, my friends. This is Lindsay, and I am back with another daily work from home job lead for you. Today's job lead is going to be non-phone, and it is a part-time. We are going to dive on in. Just know the links to everything I share are always in the YouTube description box below this video. Today's job lead is from a company called 17 Hats. Now, they have a software business solutions for small businesses. They do invoicing and different things. They are hiring a business support team member. Again, this is a part-time, but it says that you'll become a real-life superhero to all of their members by answering their questions via chat. So this is going to be completely non-phone. They're looking for somebody to help their members with the questions through chat. Questions may range how to set up their 17 hats, issues they're dealing with, asking how something works, asking how to properly use the system based on their needs. So as a support team member, you'll have a passion for helping the members. You'll have a good mix of straightforwardness as well as empathy for them. You'll have to handle multiple chats at one time. You'll be quick and informative with your chats, having strong spelling and grammar skills when it comes to written communication. You'll have to come off as personable through your chats, and of course you'll document your interactions with the members and follow all processes. Now, they are not requiring any kind of college degree for this position. They're looking for someone who has great interpersonal skills, who can handle each request with discretion, tact, diplomacy, and patience. Someone who has a strong analytical skills and can be a problem solver, troubleshooting those issues that they're having on the tech side. Someone who has multitasking abilities and, of course, strong communication skills. Now, they are going to give you training on all the software. The softwares include the 17 Hats, Slack, Google Workspace, and Intercom. One thing to note, they are not providing any computer equipment for you. You have to have your own setup, but this is a remote part-time position. They are going to have you work up to 30 hours a week, and pay for this position is $20 an hour. Alright, if you've made it to the end of this video, I want to say thank you so much for watching and supporting me. As always, please feel free to leave anything specific that you're looking for in the comments. I do try to read those and keep those in mind when I am out there searching for job leads to share. And I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.